Hi everyone, we are from Group 3 as known as Webman Studios. Today we will be presenting our final project for development, a website development for our client, Eco Harmony Systems. So this is the content of our presentation today. Okay. So for the introduction part, so Webman Studio leads in a web development collaborating with Eco Harmony for an SDG 13 project. In addressing urgent climate needs, Eco Harmony System partners with Webminds to create a dynamic website, making a digital impact project. This strategic alliance positions Webmind as architect of a transformative initiative, shaping a digital narrative that reflects Eco-Harmony essence and contributes to global discourse on climate change. So the Envision website crafted by Webmind serves a diverse audience, promoting the awareness and action in line with SDG 30. Our overall goal is to creating an online platform for Eco-Harmony system that effectively promotes awareness, encourage action regarding the SDG 13 climate action. So this is the 5 main objectives of our project. The first is to raise awareness about the urgency of addressing climate change. The second one, to encourage visitors to take meaningful action to support climate action. The third one is to provide a centralized hub for educational resources related to the climate change. The fourth one will be to foster a sense of community and engagement through the interactive features. The fifth one will be to establish the website as credible source for information on climate action. So this is our target audience. So it can be various individuals from different ages and backgrounds that interested in this climate action. There can be the corporate entities or non-profit organization, and can also be the local communities and educational institutions. This is the limitation and constraints of our project. The first one will be the budget constraint, as this project kept around 30,000 ringgit for the development. The next one will be the languages and localization, as this is only focused on English content. And the third one will be the sustainability themes, as the multimedia content must align with the sustainability theme, incorporating the eco-friendly visuals.
Hi, my name is ALEYA. So today I'm going to explain about our methodology. So the first one, we have project discovery. Basically, we identify our target audience, and also we define our objective and goals for our website. And the second one, we have a research and content planning. Basically, we do a research, and we plan the various kind of content that will be included into our website. Next, we have a visual design. Basically, we use the illustration and graphic that are related to environmental and sustainability issues. And the next one, we have a development. We use technology stack based on the project needed. And the last one is testing. We do a testing after we have done the development for our website. And lastly, we launch our website. So, and that's all. I'm going to pass the next presenter.
So hi, my name is AYNNA. So I'll be presenting for design and planning. So for the first point is we as the developers, we are trying to understand the brand and purpose. We define Eco-Harmony's brand's identity, values, and missions related to nature and environment. Second point is research and inspirations. We as developers, we conduct research on competitors and other websites in the environmental and nature sector. And we gather inspiration from a successful website to identify design trends, user experience, and functionalities that align with Eco-Harmony's goals. The third one is target audience. We define the target audience for Eco-Harmony's website. We consider its demographics, interests, and behaviors to tailor the design to their preferences and needs. The fourth one is content strategy. We plan the content structure, including pages, navigations, and multimedia elements, ensure that the content is aligned with Eco-Harmony's messaging and it's easy to navigate. So for the fifth one is wireframing. We create wireframes to outline the basic structure and layout of each page. The sixth one is mockups and design prototypes. We develop design mockups to visualize the website appearance. We use tools like Adobe XD, Sketch, or Figma to create interactive prototypes for a better understanding of the user journey. The seventh point is we choose what color scheme and visual elements that suits with Eco-Harmony's website. So basically, it's themes about nature and environment, about flora and fauna. So we choose a lot of green colors that reflects nature and environmental themes. The last one is responsive design. We ensure that the website design is responsive, providing a seamless user experience across various devices, including desktop, tablets, and smartphones. So the next one is we have 5 planning stages and consideration. The first one is domain and hosting. We choose a domain name that reflects Eco-Harmony brand. The second one is content management. We as the developers, we plan on how and what content will be managed and updated, ensure that the content is easily editable, and consider implementing a content calendar for regular updates. The third one is user experience and accessibility. We prioritize a positive user experience by ensuring easy navigation, ensure that the website is accessible to users with disability. And the fourth one is testing. We perform testing across different browsers and devices to identify and fix potential issues. The last one is launch and maintenance. We plan the website launch and post-launch activities, establish a maintenance plan for regular updates, security checks, and improvements. That's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adlina binti Hanafi, and I will continue the presentation with 5.0 content creation. So here we use 5 elements. Firstly is images. We use high-res nature photos, eco infographics, sustainability icons, and harmonious color schemes. And to achieve all that, we edited with Adobe Photoshop, graphic designing with Canva, and vectors on Illustrator. And then the second one, we included videos, short eco-friendly practice videos, environmental issues videos, and behind the scene footage of eco initiatives, and drone footages of scenic areas. To edit all this, we have used Adobe Premiere Pro, iMovie, and also Canva. So the third one, we included nature sounds and ambient audio, and also background music. This is mainly for user experience. And then on the fourth one is basically our main element. It's infographics on environmental facts and tips, and a lot of this we actually used Canva. And then lastly, onto the text context of our whole website, we do a well research on SDG 13 basically. And once we have an idea of what we want to put in our website or what we may want to put in our website, we will draft it into Microsoft Word and use Grammarly for proofreading and also grammar checking. Now we're going into 6.0 technology and platform. There are 5 points here. First being the web development technology, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for building the website structure, styling, and interactivity. And here we utilize responsive design techniques because we want it to be accessible on different devices, phones, webs, desktops, and tablets. And then for the backend technology, all the information, we use PHP MyAdmin, and for the database system storing and managing dynamic content, we mainly use MySQL and MongoDB. And then onto the content management system, for content, we use WordPress and Joomla. And why do we use this? Why is it important? Because it's crucial because our website is multimedia focused. And then onto the multimedia integration, like I have previously talked about, it's just basically using elements such as images, videos, and audio. And then lastly, onto it is the hosting services. We experimented with different web hosting services like AZHAR, Google, Safari, Internet Explorer. And why did we experiment on different services? Because we want to consider factors of its scalability and reliability. Moving on, I will explain the technical aspects of the technology and platform we've used. For the user interface design, we implemented design principles because we want to achieve visually appealing and user-friendly experience. And then we also focused on using eco-friendly color schemes and graphics that align with our client eco-harmonious nature-focused theme. Onto the interactivity and user experience, we used JavaScript and other front-end technologies because we want to create a seamless and interactive user experience. And any feedback about the mechanisms and interactive features by our trial users, we take it into consideration and may update. And then lastly is the technical aspects of the security measures. Of course, all websites prioritize user data and also want to ensure a secure browsing experience. That is also what we aim for. And then I'm going to talk about what platform we have used for the development and distribution of our website. The development platform, such as Microsoft PowerPoint, it emphasized the creative and collaborative features used during the initial design phase. And then the version control, like GitHub, that we use is for tracking changes and collaborating with other development teams. Distribution platforms, eco-harmonious website, it will be distributed through a custom domain and will include social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and advertise it on YouTube. The website is also developed for mobile app integration. Last one is the cross-browser compatibility. We put our effort to ensure the website moves seamlessly across various browsers, like I previously talked about, because we want to make sure we can use it on different browsers and also enhance the accessibility for a broader audience, like disabled users and so on. So that is all for me. Thank you.
This is our client's company website. Okay, this is the homepage. The homepage contains our client's company logo and our client's company name. This is their motto, and there are a few options here which you can click. So if you scroll down the page, you will see what the organization offers, which is ecosystem. They offer comprehensive solutions to promote biodiversity, soil conservation, and sustainable land management. For recycling, they provide efficient and responsible recycling solutions for a variety of materials, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. For water refine, they employ advanced technologies to purify and refine water, making it suitable for various purposes. And lastly, for solar system, they specialize in designing and implementing solar energy solutions for residential, commercial, and industrial applications. So we scroll back up and we can click this about us. So if we click about us, it will show these two options, whether to see their company backgrounds, which is this one. This is Eco Harmony Corporation background, and this is their office building. So back to homepage, click again about us and our team. So this is their our client's company main team, which is Leonardo Maxwell, Richard Henderson, Mark Zuckerberg, Abbas Ramuga, and Lee Jong-kook. So back to the homepage, AYNNA will explain about achievements, latest work, and latest event.
Okay. Right, so I will explain about achievements, latest work, and latest event. So when Leah press achievements, enter achievements, it will directly go to achievements interface where it goes Harmony achievements while developing their own company. So Eco Harmony has 5 achievements that they have successfully achieved, which is first is collecting 1,523 tree cut, 3,959 animal flowers, 5,559 trees planted, 5,559 box collected, and also 7,592 water level that they have achieved. So when you press press the button, it will directly go to the homepage. So Leah will enter the latest work. Okay, this work directly goes to latest work of Eco's Harmony activities. So Leah press see more, and it will directly go to what activities that they have been conducted. The first one is Kotorang at Pulau Tioman. So when Leah press picture, it will directly goes to the Instagram that we have linked on the picture. Okay, Leah go back, and then the second one is Kotorang at Pulau Morib. Leah press the picture, and it will directly go to the Instagram. So these are the multimedia elements that we have included in our website. Okay, go back. Right. So Leah will press mangrove planting at Jima Power Plant pictures, and it will directly goes to the Instagram also. Okay. these are infographics elements in multimedia. So latest event, their press latest event. So Eco Harmonies has two latest events. First one is 1 3000 stage and 1 3000 hope. On the right side, it has 4 events that they had conducted. And when your press join us, it has hyperlink on this interface, and that's all from me. Yeah, continue.
Okay, so you can also visit our client's company blog by clicking our blog. So check out these blogs, which is climate change is affecting bird migration. So when I click this, it will bring user to the blog and they can read it. Climate change takes a nasty toll on bird migration. So same goes to the second one, how to reduce indoor air pollution. So if I click this, it will bring user to the blog, so a user can read it here. Okay, next, lastly is Yellowstone grizzly bears climate change. So if I click this, it will bring to the blog about Yellowstone grizzly bears. Okay, so back to the home page. Back to the home page, scroll down, and this is what our client's company offers. And you can also join to become a volunteer. So when I click on this join us, it will bring the user to this interface, which is get in touch. So this is our client's company information. They located at the Mallards, South Cirencester, and this is their phone number, their email, and their Instagram. So the user have to fill up their information and press submit. So this is the map to our client's company building. So when I press submit, it will bring to this page, which says it is submitted and thank you from Eco Harmony team, and back to the home page. So if you press the join us, if you click on the join us but you decide not to fill up the information, you can also back to the home page like that. Okay, that's all for the website.
I will talk about the user interfaces and user experience. So this is the design principle of this project. So the first one will be the user-centered design, as it caters to our climate action focused target audience. The second one will be the clear hierarchy and navigation by highlighting key information of FDG 30. So the third one will be the accessibility by following the web content accessibility guidelines that are implemented. The fourth design principles will be consistency of design elements in the project. The fifth one will be the readability and legibility by the font or font size, font colors to contribute to a readable interface. And the last one will be the engaging visuals. So a high quality visuals including image can evoking the emotion and align the campaign message. So for the feedback and improvement, these are the lists. So for the testing will be the usability and A/B testing or iterative design process. So the improvement can be the responsive design audits or incorporate sustainability teams or can use the community engagement and accessibility audits.
So I'm going to explain about our marketing and promotion. First, we generate interesting multimedia content that successfully communicates the objective of the Eco Harmony system. Second, we to reach a large audience use a major social media network. And the third one, we identify possible partners such as environmental organizations, businesses, and influencers.
These are the project management.
The fourth one is expanding multimedia content for the climate action campaign involves creating a diverse array of engaging materials. And the last one is optimize the web page for search engine to increase visibility. Use a keyword that are connected to sustainability and Eco Harmony system. Next, conclusion. In conclusion, the Eco Harmony system website is an admirable example of a well-crafted internet platform dedicated to increasing environmental sustainability. The website effectively communicates the organization objective, engage a visitor, and promote constraint measure toward a greener future through its strategic design and content. And that's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter.
Okay, so next is recommendations. So the first one is interactive learning modules. It is to develop interactive learning modules or online courses that dive deeper into specific climate-related topics. These modules could cater to different audience segments, providing a more immersive learning experience. And then the second one is community forums and collaboration spaces. We can implement community forums or collaboration spaces on the website, allowing users to share ideas, experience, and initiatives related to the climate action. This fosters a sense of community engagement and encourage collaborative efforts. So the third one is localized content and events. We can tailor content and events to specific regions or local communities. Consider hosting localized webinars, workshops, and initiatives that address the unique challenges and opportunities in different geographical areas. The fourth one is personalized user dashboard. From personalized user dashboard, we can introduce personalized user dashboards where individuals can track their climate action contributions, set goals, and receive personalized recommendations based on their interests and activities. So next is ideas for potential follow-up projects. First one is climate action challenge campaign. The second one is climate action toolkit for businesses, youth engagement program, partnerships with influencers, and the last one is green innovation showcase. That's all from me. Thank you.